Before the lockdown, I went for servicing of my car. The mechanic, after initial inspection, he said, "Sir, your car would need wheel balancing." I asked, "What do you mean? What has happened?" And he said that when you drive your car and it goes through uneven surfaces like potholes and other hard surfaces, sometimes the weight in the wheel gets a little bit here and there, and hence if you get it balanced, you will have a much smoother ride going forward. I said, okay, fine, go ahead. Another thing that he recommended was that every year you should at least try to get it serviced once, so that overall the machine is working in a proper way. I said, okay, that's a good advice. I'll try to follow it. Now, if I think about my career, my life, or anybody's, so to say, one thing what happens is, while we are running after multiple priorities, many things which is going on in the life throws us out of balance sometimes, and it's very important that we take a break. We try to think what is out of balance, analyze that, and then try to see how we can balance it out. It is also important that once in a while we stop thinking hard about what we want to achieve in life, what is the goals, what are the priorities, etc., and just kind of relax, let your hair down, and let your mind become calm and stable, and you get out of all what is going on at this point of time. This will give you a lot of thinking power once you have achieved this calmness inside, right? So this body is also a machine. Once in a while, give it a break. Don't just keep running around with lofty goals, ambitions, etc. Take a break. You need a break. The car needs a break. We all need a break. Today is that day that I am taking a break and just not thinking too much about my life and my career, and just taking one day at a time. Maybe you can think about it a day when you want to do this. Thank you.